Here we are again today. Alan. Good looking Pete. Where are we today?
Droylsden.
Where?
Droylsden.
Where? Fairfield.
Fairfield, yeah.
Fairfield, Droylsden.
Yeah.
Whereabouts? What are we in? We're in
We're in a time.
time warp. Time warp.
Yeah. I don't know what year it is. I don't know what year is it.
1785.
Oh yeah, founded.
Yeah, tucked away in Fairfield in Droylsden is this street. I think they probably use it on quite a few films. Notable things about it, as you can see, it's not got any telephone lines for a start, and they try to keep everything as original as they can. I don't even think you're allowed to change the windows to double glazing or anything like that. They've all got to stay original. There's no satellite dishes, so I suppose on a film they can take out the aerials, but other than that, it's without the cars especially, and it's all original cobbles. It would look like you were in the 17th century quite easily, wouldn't it, Alan?
Yeah.
Wouldn't it? Wouldn't it, Alan? Alan? Not a very nice place to be driving a car down anyway.
Is it around here as well? Is it the same that?
Yeah, it's a protected area, isn't it? Well, as you can see, look at them. Look at them. It really does look. It's even got shutters upstairs on the windows. It was owned by the church, I think, all these streets. I do remember houses like that. Even my gran lived there somewhere like that. Are you getting wet?
No.
That's the main thing.
It's stopped raining now.
So is this what they used to?
And they've got cellars there as well.
I know. Cellars and coal bunkers.
Oh, yeah.
Terrible to drive on this stuff.
Got enough walking outside.
Places did have cellars and they were dry years ago. What does it say? Church settlement founded 1785. It's amazing if you feels like you've gone back in time, and then you have to go back in modern day at the end of the street.